Hey guys, we received this Sports Research Sweet Sweat Therapy Massage Gun for test and try. So this is a deep tissue body massager gun with a cordless and rechargeable battery, and just comes in a really nice gift box. So just open this and show you the content and it's working. So this is a Sweet Sweat massage gun. So this is the manual. Let me just open this and show it to you. So this is a different attachment, power adapter. This is the key rings and also like the different attachment thing here. So let me just take out everything and just show it to you. So these different attachments can be used for different purpose, and this also have is a massager just to do the massage on your muscles, and this is a power adapter. So let me just take out. So it's a really heavy massage gun. So have a good weight, like solid build. There's a power adapter on and off button, and then the attachments will go here, as you can see, and the power adapter on the bottom. So it's better to charge completely before use, and then you start using this gun. So this is a brushless high torque motor with four interchangeable massage attachments, and with a rechargeable battery, four-speed setting, and aluminum body with a easy grip handle. So you can see the four-speed thing here. You can see the vibration on the hands, but I will just fully charge it first and then show it to you. So this all the different four parts, like the attachments and its use. So different parts, different massage or the types or the attachment you can use. So once fully charged, you can just use this and you can see the vibration on my body, and you can see like how powerful is this. This is the the first speed, so this is not at the higher speed, and still you can see a powerful vibration. So this is a powerful massage gun, and is really good. Like this is the speed one with the 1800 RPM, and you can see the pressure. So the top speed is 3200 RPM. So this will be really nice for a good massage or the heavy massagers. The one is pretty good as well, and you can see the speed and the vibration. So this one is a great massage gun, very helpful, very less sound, and with the four attachments or different types, with a built-in battery and use. Even for the calves, you can see. So it's a great thing. I will say it's a great, good massage gun.